Hi, welcome to Afresh. So today I would like to talk about the speaking module. I understand you have got a fear about the speaking module. I completely get it, I understand. But just with a few techniques, you'll be able to score a high band for your speaking module. So in the speaking module, there are some common topics. Okay, you don't have to have a knowledge about the subject. They just check your communication skill. It's not about a test for like how much knowledge you have in a particular subject. No, it's how well you communicate in that particular subject. They just check the communication skill. They do not check the authenticity of the information that you provide. It's how well you're able to communicate and put forth your ideas in a well-structured, organized manner. So there are a few common topics, and which if you master them, like if you practice them, I'm not talking about memorizing. Okay, be very careful. I'm not talking about memorizing. You should not memorize it. If the examiner feels that you have memorized some answers, it is going to be marked, like you'll be marked down. Okay, they expect something that you have to come up or with your own words, okay, your own ideas, your own expressions, and all those things. So be very careful when you handle the speaking module. There are some certain common topics which comes in the IELTS speaking test. So today we'll discuss about the hometown. There is an exercise down below which you have to download and just go through these exercises. Okay, I've given you hints and tips and everything how you can prepare the notes. And I would also request you to have a role play with your partner. If you have a friend or somebody and your friend can be an examiner and you can be a candidate, you can record this particular audio and send it across to me. I'll just listen to it. I can give you feedbacks. Okay, so just check this exercise out, just go through it. Okay, and I definitely believe that it's going to help you out. And in the future, I'm going to give you all the topics. So once you go through all the topics, you're going to be acquainted with it, and you would find it more easy to attend the speaking test because they ask you a lot of general topics. Okay, the IELTS speaking topics are of such that you will not go out of ideas or something. Like, they're very common topics. You don't have to panic. They're not going to ask you something about rocket science or something. It's a very general, novel topic. I'll cover all the topics. You just have to go through them and you will crack your speaking examination and get a higher band score. So I'm waiting for your audio files. Thank you so much.